So far, we've been looking at the fixed units. Fixed units as in you'll give width as 500 pixels or some numbers here. So these units were so fixed, but we could also give variable units. So I just gave, for this paragraph, I gave width as 500 pixel. So that's what you see. The paragraph's width is now 500 pixel. Let me give a border to it now so that will know space. Okay, so this is space. Now instead of giving 500 pixel, we could also say 30%. Okay, so this is 30%. There's one more way to say calc. Now within calc, I mean, just consider this as a calculator which gives an output value to the width. So this is not just applicable to width, but is applicable to anything that needs a number, say padding, and then you have a font size. So you could use calc to anything. So any addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division you could do. So 100% minus 200 pixels. So 100% of this. So 100% means with, see, there's a body, right? Within the body is where the paragraph resides. So 100% of the parent, so which is body is by default 100%. So 100% of the parent minus 200 pixels. So let's say if this is 1100 in width, so this minus 200 pixels will be 900. So that's what is happening here. And this comes handy when you have, when you have to consider multiple displays. Like if you want this to be displayed well in a tab or a different resolution of different laptops and say even in mobile, so you would use these calc values now. Now there is one more element or say property called the max. In max, you could say 200 pixels, 300 pixels. No, it will just look for which is the maximum value. Obviously 300 pixel. So it will consider this 300 pixel. So you might think, I mean, you have already coded 200 pixel or 300 pixel. Why have both? You just remove this, right? But consider cases like this. So you're saying that the width could be just half of the screen, but it can go to a max of 300 pixels. So meaning 50% of the width is what? This is 1100, so 550 pixels. So 550 pixels or 300 pixels. Now, when that being said, what you intend to do is it can be 50% of the screen or 300 pixels, whichever is maximum. So it can't go more than that is what you try to achieve here. When you do that, 50% is the maximum. So that is why you have it in the middle. So that's what min max does. In the case of min, it will look for the minimum value. So it will go for 300 pixels now. So all this calc max values and min values, they come really handy when you want to resize according to the resolution of the screen or the display, whichever display it might be, your tab, your laptop, or even your mobile.